You going?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to try to start the truck. We got a twin turbo Ranger, 6-liter, VS Racing, mirror image twin turbo setup. I just got the wiring kind of a little there to get it started. So we got the Terminator X Max here. I'm going to key it on and then we'll run through the wizard. Let's do that. I mean, look at the wiring. It obviously was never done yet. So. And the wizard dash isn't inside. All right, so we got, we'll do the wizard first. Wizard, MPFI, GMLS, 8 cylinders, GMLS firing order, cubic inches. We'll do, oh boy, 366, save, next. Idle speed we'll put at 900-ish. Pick that guy for cam. This is a 24X. I think the fuel pressure was around 43. Sure. Injectors, other. These are actually Snake Eater 210s, but let's do 1500s just to see what happens. Turbo, Holley 3-bar-ish. Watt ignition timing, we'll do 21. We'll offset it 0.5, so we're at like 14 and 14. Watt AFR target, we'll do like 12.5, 12.6. Drive-by-wire, no. Transmission control, yes. It's gonna be 4L80. Tire diameter, 28-ish. Rear is a 373, we'll go close. So finished, we'll cycle the ignition as it says. And you can hear the fuel pump running, so that's a good sign. That means it loaded. So now it's going to want us to do a TPS auto set. So what we do is Wizard's TPS auto set, start, and what I'm going to have to do is I'll just move the throttle position sensor. So basically just take do that twice, move the throttle blade twice. TPS auto set was successful, done, and then I'm going to try to start it. I'm going to key it off. I'll turn it back on and I'll try to start it. about as easy as that, guys, I guess. So basically...
Daddy, how can the great-great-grandpa's truck work?
Yeah, great-great-grandpa's truck works. So, if you're not familiar with the channel, this is actually my great-grandpa's truck. I got it when I was 16. And that's my son, so great-great-grandpa's truck. He's wondering why it works, because it was down for a little bit. Now we got it running and ran through the wizard. Didn't even put the right size injectors in. Fuel pressure might not have even been right. Guessed on the cam, threw a couple settings in there, and then it just starts. And you heard cranking. The battery is like non-existent, right? So the battery's actually on the floor right here with jumper cables. And I just have it connected to the terminals where the battery was, because I'm relocating the battery on the setup. So you saw that, how that worked. It was like barely even cranking because it didn't have enough voltage. And it started and idled. Just fine, revved up, turbos whistle, good stuff. How can you not like that?